That weird noise under your car? It's trying to tell you something. Here are the most common causes you can't ignore. If it's a rattling, it could be a loose heat shield. That metal panel can get damaged and vibrate like crazy. A clunking sound when you hit a bump. Your suspension parts like control arms or shocks might be worn out and need replacing. A loud rumble or a sudden increase in engine noise could mean an exhaust leak. This is a safety issue, so get it checked. Hearing a scraping sound, it might just be a loose plastic splash shield dragging on the ground. Ignoring these sounds can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the road. Stay on top of car care, follow Quick Fix Automotive for fast and easy tips to keep you rolling.